नमस्ते विद्यार्थियों, नर्सिंग शिक्षा को समर्पित चैनल अनुज क्लासेस हब में आपका स्वागत है।
I'm sure you've heard the news. Invisible enemies live on every surface. But the front line isn't a battlefield, it's a bedside. And the hero? A nurse. Clean hands, steady focus. A hospital ward looks calm, but microbes ride the rails and linger on touch points. Enter the nurse. Quiet, precise, deliberate. Gloves off. Sanitizer squirted. Friction, real contact that breaks invisible chains. That wave of light? It's a metaphor. Every rub, every moment of care, reduces risk for the patient. Hand hygiene isn't ritual. It's an act of protection, science, compassion. So next time you see a nurse pause to sanitize, know this: they're not just cleaning hands, they're shielding lives. Small habit, beat, huge impact.
सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड लाइक शेयर जरूर करें।